Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. How are you all? All right. Very good. Very good. I request everybody to get ready with their English literature textbook and open it on page number 25. Page number 25. Okay. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yeah. I'm doing good. Thank you, my dear students. Okay. In the previous session, we have completed explanation of lesson number 4. The lazy squirrel, right? Page number 24, 25.
The lazy student.
The lazy squirrel, yes. We have completed explanation and understanding of page number 24. That is lesson number 4, the lazy squirrel. The lazy squirrel, right? So today we will be going ahead with solving the questions and answers and getting the answers. Okay, are you ready? I had requested all of you to go through or read the entire lesson. Have you been able to do that? Have you been able to do that? Who all have read the lesson? I want you to raise your hands. Those who have read the lesson, please raise your hands. Okay, good. I can see that some of the students are raising their hands, whereas some are not. When something is asked to be done, you have to do it. Okay. Yeah. If you have not done, don't raise your hands unnecessarily. Be sincere. If you have not done the work, accept that you have not done. Be sincere to yourself. If you have done, well and good. If you have not done, try to read it. Because unless and until you read the lessons, you will not be able to remember. Okay, what all happened, what all we have learned. Good. Okay, please put your hands down. Let me ask you a few questions to make sure that you remember what we have learned in that lesson. Okay? Yeah, mute your devices, and when I ask the questions, those who know will raise their hands if they are ready to answer. Understood? Okay. Yeah. The first question is, which season was coming? Sarah. Others will only raise their hands, not answer. Which season was coming at that particular time? Was coming. Yes, Sarah, give me the answer. Which season was coming? I cannot hear you. Which season was coming at that time when the story was going on? In the beginning of the story. Which season was coming?
Winter.
Winter, yes, winter was coming at that particular moment of time. Good effort, Sarah. Thank you. Okay. Krishna Priya, unmute. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sunny was a dash squirrel. Fill in the blank.
Ma'am, I don't know.
It's okay. You tell me. This is about the session that we took in the previous class. So tell me. Okay. Sunny was a dash squirrel. Others, mute your devices. Sunny was a dash squirrel.
Small squirrel.
Small. Was he ready to work?
Ma'am.
What is the word? Sridhar, mute your device and answer only when I call out your name. Okay, Sridhar?
Lazy squirrel.
Yeah.
Lazy squirrel.
Yes, Sunny was a very lazy squirrel. Okay, good. Thank you. Anaya, unmute. Anaya, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
The other squirrels were working hard. How were they working hard? What were they doing? In what way were they working hard?
Collecting nuts.
They were?
They were collecting nuts.
Yes, very good. They were looking for and collecting nuts. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, who can tell me why were all the other squirrels collecting nuts? Why were all the other squirrels collecting nuts? Yes, Junaita Joshi.
Animal. Because winter is coming.
My dear students, you must never start any answer with the word because. That is the wrong way of doing it, okay? So please tell me the answer one more time, Junaita. Why were all the other squirrels collecting nuts?
The winter is coming.
Mhm.
Because
Miss, please mute.
winter is coming.
The other squirrels were collecting nuts. That is the way you must start the answer. Say it, Junaita. The other squirrels
The other squirrels
were collecting nuts.
were collecting nuts.
Why?
Winter is coming.
Because,
Because winter is coming.
yes. Would they be able to collect nuts during the winter season?
No.
No, it would be very difficult, right?
Yes.
It would be very difficult for them to go out in the cold and collect the nuts. That is the reason they were collecting all the nuts and keeping them at their homes before winter started, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Good effort, Junaita. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Merin, who were Sunny's best friends? Who were Sunny's best friends?
Sunny's friends were Sunny and Benny's friends were Benny. Sunny and Benny.
Sammy and Benny. Yes. Sunny's friends were Sammy and Benny. Okay, good. Merin, thank you. Joanne Judy, unmute and tell me. Which game did Sunny and Sammy play together?
Hide and seek.
Where is the sentence, my dear?
Sunny and Sunny and Sammy
Played, past tense.
played hide and seek.
Very good. Sunny and Sammy played hide and seek together. Together. They played with each other, right? So the word together needs to be added there. Sunny and Sammy played hide and seek together. Okay, good effort, Joanne. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Austin, unmute. Austin, tell me, when Sammy used to collect nuts or to look for or search for nuts, Sunny used to disturb him. How? Can you tell me how? Sunny used to trouble Sammy while he was looking for nuts. How? What would he do? What is the particular word to be used there? No, what is the word? I could not hear the word.
Throw it.
Now, pick up. Pick up.
Pick up.
Pick up what, Austin?
Nut.
Nut, yes, very good. Sunny would pick up a nut and what would he do then?
Collect.
Merin, wait. Sunny would pick up a nut and?
Throw it.
Yes. Throw it at home, Austin.
At home.
At
Sammy.
Sammy, yes. Sunny would pick up a nut and throw it at Sammy. And that is how he used to disturb Sammy, right? Okay, very good. After throwing the nut at Sammy, what would Sunny tell him? Malavika, unmute. What would Sunny tell Sammy after throwing the nut at him?
The Sunny.
Not the Sunny. Sunny.
Sunny say.
Sunny would say.
Sunny would say.
Hmm.
to Sammy,
Hmm.
play with me,
Hmm.
hide and seek.
Okay. Play hide and seek with me. Play hide and seek with me. Okay. Then what would he say after that? There is a lot of
There is a lot of time
for
to collect.
collecting nuts. Yes, you're absolutely right. Sunny would also tell Sammy that there is still a lot of time remaining with us for collecting nuts. So now let us, the weather is very good. So now let us enjoy our time playing and having fun. Right, Malavika?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Very good effort. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Shrutakirti, unmute. What happened finally when winter came? When winter came, what happened finally?
Sunny
Hmm.
started to collect nuts, but there was no nuts
But he did not get any nuts. Why? What is the reason?
because he was lazy.
No, what is the reason that Sunny did not? He started collecting, right? He started searching. He did not get. Why did he not get any nuts?
Because other squirrels
Yes.
ate them all.
Because all the other squirrels had already taken and collected the nuts. So when winter started and Sunny also started searching, looking for nuts, he did not get any nuts at all. Right? Okay. Very good, Shrutakir. Well answered. Thank you. Okay. Sunny felt very sad at that time when he did not have any nuts. He searched, still he could not get. He did not have any nuts left with him for winter, but he needed a lot of nuts, right? For him to use throughout the winter. Who helped? Sorry, not what. Who helped Sunny at that time? Riza, unmute. Who helped Sunny at that time? When Sunny could not get any food, any nuts during winter, who helped him at that time? Who helped Sunny at that time? Who? Which squirrels? Did all the squirrels come and help him? Did all of them come and help?
No.
Riza has not read the lesson again. That is the reason. Okay, Maithili, tell me the answer. Who helped Sunny? Yes, his good friends, two good friends, Sammy and Benny, helped him they share their nuts with Sunny, and that is how they helped him. Very good, Maithili. Good effort. Thank you. Riza, did you understand now? Who helped Sunny? Yeah, who helped Sunny? Yeah. What are the names of his two good friends? Sammy and Benny. Sammy and Benny, yes. Riza, I want you to read the entire lesson today itself, okay? And if you have any doubts, you can please ask me in the next session. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good effort. Thank you. My dear students, I request all of you to be on page number 25 now. Page number 25. Now we are going to solve the exercises from this lesson itself. Okay. First, we will be discussing the meanings of words. Meanings.
Ma'am, I already did it.
Sridhar, please mute your device. Okay. Ayush, unmute. Ayush, unmute.
Yes.
And tell me the meaning of the word accept. Accept. E-X-C-E-P-T. Except. Except. All the squirrels, sorry. All the squirrels except Sunny worked very hard. All the squirrels except Sunny worked very hard. What is the meaning of except? Except Sunny. I have explained this during the explanation of the lesson. Except all the squirrels except Sunny worked very hard. Except, E-X-C-E-P-T, except. Anybody else wishes to try? No, Sridhar, unmute. Others mute. Nobody will unmute without me calling out their names. Sridhar, tell me the answer. What is the meaning of except? Sridhar, what is the meaning of except? Sorry?
Other than Sunny.
Other?
Other squirrels.
Just now you said you have already done it, right?
Other
So tell me the meaning of except then.
Other than.
All the squirrels except Sunny worked very hard. The meaning of except is other than. O-T-H-E-R, other than. T-H-A-N, than. Other than. Please repeat, Sridhar.
Other than.
Other than. Except means other than. All the squirrels except, or all the squirrels other than Sunny. Other than Sunny worked very hard. Did you understand now?
Yes.
I want you to pay very good attention, rapt attention in the class. Okay, Sridhar?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you. So, the meaning of except is other than. Repeat, all of you keep your devices muted. Except means other than. E-X-C-E-P-T. Except means other than. Other than. Other than. Other than. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Now, yeah, I want everybody to write now itself. Please write. Yeah, Joanne, I have already given you a chance once, right? Let me reach out to the other students also. Manav, unmute and tell me the meaning of the word lazy. Lazy. Manav, unmute. What is the meaning of lazy? Lazy. Yeah. Not ready to work hard, right? Not ready to work. What? We can make it smaller and write not active. Not active. Lazy means not active. Not active. It has the same meaning. Not ready to work hard. Not ready to work. Not active. The meaning of lazy. Not active. Okay. Not active. Hayan, unmute. Others, keep your devices muted.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Hayan, what is the meaning of nap? Nap.
Sleep.
Is it just sleep? When we sleep at night time, is that called a nap?
Not sleep.
A short sleep. Yes, very good.
Short
You have to answer specifically. A short sleep. S-H-O-R-T. Short sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Short. The word short means for little time. Little time. Short means for little time. You can write these answers directly in the textbook. Except means other than. Lazy means not active. And nap means a short sleep. The word nap means a short sleep.
Ma'am, how about the water
How about the
squirrels?
squirrels? No, there is no need for us to understand. Squirrels, we know, we all know that squirrels are animals which have a bushy tail, right? Small animals which have a bushy tail. And weather means climate, that we all know. So no need to write the meanings of all the words. We can learn the meanings of selected and important words. Okay? So these three are enough. Other than, except means other than, lazy means not active, and nap means a short sleep. Okay, let's move ahead. Ivania, unmute. Read the first question.
Why were all the students working hard?
Hard, not had. Hard. Why were all the squirrels working hard? Tell me the answer.
All the students working hard because winter was coming.
Okay. What were they doing? What work they were doing? Were they doing? They were
Cutting nuts.
They were looking.
Looking at
Why were all the squirrels working hard? So we can write the answer as they. We are talking about all the squirrels, right? So we can, yeah. Either we can write all the squirrels. Please mute your devices, my dear students.
Mama, join now. Because the next
Yeah, I know that. They were.
Then can you show the meaning?
I'll send whatever you have missed out. I'll be sending the same thing in the group. At that time, you can write, my dear. Okay? Yeah. They were looking. Looking. Looking for. FORNUTS. Nuts. They were looking for nuts. For which season were they looking for nuts?
Winter
For the winter, yes. So we can write, they were looking for nuts. So instead of writing all the squirrels, we can write they. They were looking for nuts for the winter. If you write all the squirrels, that is also right. But to make it short, I'm using the word they here. They. All the squirrels. They.
FOU.
For you,
That is.
FOR. FOR.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. FOR. For the winter. They were looking for nuts for the winter. What were the squirrels doing? Why were they working hard? They were looking for nuts for the winter. They were looking for nuts for the winter. Okay, Rehan, unmute and read the second question.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the second question.
W.
What? WHAT.
What? WHAT. What? EID.
What did
What did Sunny
Hmm. Do.
do what?
What did Sunny do? WHEN. When? Huh? Hmm? When the weather.
When the weather
Hmm. TURN. Turn. ED. Turned.
turn
Turned. VERY.
VERY
Very. Very.
very
Very cold.
cold.
Yeah. What happened, Rehan? Read it. What did Sunny do when the weather turned very cold?
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
You can read from the book. Maybe because of the network issues, you are not able to see the board. So at that time, you can look into your book and read. Rehan? Now tell me the answer. What did Sunny do when the weather turned very cold? At that time, what did Sunny do?
Sunny do
Sunny do. No. That is not the way we must answer. Sunny went.
and Sunny went
What did he do at that time? When it was very cold. That is the time when Sunny started thinking. And what did he do?
cold.
Sunny went. He started looking, right? He
Yes.
started looking for something. What was that? Sunny went looking. Looking for what?
Nuts. See,
What? For nuts. 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 Sunny went looking for nuts. When the weather got very cold, at that time only Sunny realized, that time only he thought about himself, that he didn't have enough food to last for winter. And that time he went looking for nuts.
Nuts.
Yes. Understood, Rehan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, my dear. Keep that in mind and mute your device now. Thank you.
Ma'am, this also is sent in the WhatsApp.
Yeah. Ivania, read the third question.
Ma'am, Ivani, one time.
Oh, yes, Ivania. You got the chance, right? Okay, fine. Adil, unmute. Read the third question.
Who?
No, who? H-O-W.
Who?
No, W-H-O is to be read as who. H-O-W is to be read as how. How?
How?
How, yes.
How did Sunny's friends help
Yes.
him?
Help him. Help him. How did Sunny's friends help him?
Sunny,
Sunny or Sunnies? Sunnies.
Sunny's
Yes.
friends
Friends, very good.
helped
Not helped. Helped.
help
How? What did they do to help Sunny?
helped food
Sorry? What is the word to be used there? Sunny's friends shared. Sunny's friends shared. What did they share?
food.
Their nuts. They shared their nuts with whom? With? What is the pronoun to be used there? Remember last year we learned? With
him.
him. Yes, very good, Adil. With him. Sunny's friends shared their nuts with him. That is how they helped Sunny, right? Sunny's friends shared their nuts with him. Very good, Adil. Good girl. Thank you. Yeah, welcome. Sunny's friends shared their nuts with him. Sunny's friends, yeah, shared their nuts with him. Okay. Henry, unmute and read the fourth question.
Ma'am, not completed, ma'am.
Yeah, wait, I am not closing the screen. And don't worry, if you don't complete now, I will be sending, you know it, right? I'll definitely be sending it in the group. At that time, if you have missed out something, you can complete. Henry, read the fourth question.
Who has
No.
the nuts?
H-O-W. Just now I explained. H-O-W. How? How?
How
Hmm?
has
No. W-A-S.
How
Was. Okay. How was the next? Henry, what is the matter, my dear? How was?
How was
Yes. The. I think Henry is facing network issues. Okay. No problem, Henry. I'll come back to you later. Prarthana, unmute and read the fourth question. How was?
Who was the next summer
Different.
for Sunny?
For Sunny, yes. The next summer, in the next year, during the summer season, Sunny decided something. What was that? That was what was different. Yes?
He's searching her nest.
No, he decided about something and then he did that, right? What was the decision that he took? What did he decide to do?
He understood.
Sunny decided.
Sunny decides.
What did he decide to do? Look at the last sentence of the lesson, Prarthana. The last sentence. Sunny decided.
Sunny decides.
What did he decide to do?
To search food.
There is one particular word, right? What kind of a squirrel was Sunny? What kind of a squirrel was Sunny? He was not active, right? What is the word? Not active. Lazy, yes. So what did Sunny decide to do? Sunny decided.
never lazy?
Yes, never to be or not to be. Not to be lazy again. Sunny decided not to be lazy again. So what did Sunny, how was the next summer different for Sunny? He decided something, right? He decided to do something very important, very much needed. What is that?
And what is spelling of lazy?
L-A-Z-Y, lazy. L-A-Z-Y. Okay. I'll write it one more time. L-A-Z-Y. Lazy again. Sunny decided not to be lazy again. If you would use the word never, that is also right. Sunny decided never to be lazy again. Both the words are absolutely right. Sunny decided not to be lazy again or never to be lazy again. Both are right. We are on page number 26. Now, the fourth question is on page number 26. Have you completed the work, my dear students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
3 not completed.
Okay, good. Now, Ayush, unmute.
Sunny was
Yeah, the value-based question. Sunny was lucky. Why? There is no need for us to write this. We will just discuss. Sunny was lucky. Why?
he was good friends.
He had good friends. Yes. Who helped him at the time of need. Who were they?
Sunny
Sammy and Benny. Yes. Sunny was lucky because two of his good friends, Sammy and Benny, helped him when he did not have any food with him. How did they help him? They shared their nuts with him and helped him, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
This question.
Okay. Yeah. So let me stop sharing here. Yeah.
Not completed.
Okay, those who have not completed, don't worry. I'll be sending the same notes to you in the group. At that time, if you have missed out or if you have not been able to complete, you can do it at that time. Okay? Okay. Did you understand? That is more important here. Yes? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.